we have the toolbar, we are having the list of contacts, save, delete or add a new contact or search, everything. So in plain version, in which we do usually without framework, this is the case how it is going to look. We can achieve the same, this output using this one page of script. It's about, we have the data grid, we have the remote object available over here, and we are going to call the thing and we are going to get the result, and the result is binded with the data grid and we get the output. That's as simple as it is possible. Called by parent execute service call. So view is going to call a search and services, business logic, everything is in the your tool itself in view. It's not supposed to be that case. Again, whenever we use any framework, we should be confirmed with the thing like the framework should not urge you or should not compel you to code for the framework. You should code always for your application, not for the framework. If you are creating any view, you should not be bothered about whether it will be going to be from model locator or service locator, or whether I have to dispatch it to delegate. How those questions should not be there when you are developing any view or you are developing any logic inside your code. It should be for your need. It's application frameworks or for developing applications. Applications is not to be fit in the framework. So it should be in our ease. That's only possible if we have IOC and dependency injection. So here we have the contacts binded. This is the main version. So this contacts is sent from inversion of control provided by the injection. Here you can see there is no business logic or service dependency or again the main point, it's the whole code is dependent from main itself. There is nothing written related to the main. There is nothing you can find like inject or anything. You can just pick this same file and you can use it for any other framework or any other purpose. So here is a centralized services. See, services XML is again you can have calling a remote object or you can call a mock remote object. It's your wish. You don't want to disturb the DB for testing purpose. Go for a mock remote object for testing purpose or to show a mock-up to the client. Use this. You can have the full ease of control what you can do in the code, and this is a event being dispatched to get the list of contacts available. When save contacts, event is being again dispatched after saving the contact. You can see everything is again independent from services and easy to mock and test. This is in the toolbar where we have the search box. From there we are just dispatching the search event. So we are getting into the first example where we have the plain thing, plain code. Here we have the service.contacts is being dispatched. We call the search event.search. It's being handled by this, and remote object is being invoked. Services.contacts by the method get contacts by name with event argument, and result handler is being managed with this. So you have the whole code. Usually in Kingdom we have plenty of files doing the same job. Like command will map your event to some service. Service again have another delegate which map your result handling and fault handling. So you have the services, everything injected over here. service methods are fully separated from the business logic. Do the debugging. I will demo that. Like event handler started doing the search event. We have whole number of parameters of that event and values available there, and for the remote object, which destination is called and which channel set has been set, what was the argument. You can see everything as a debug output. So we have the service handlers output. So whenever you want to debug something, some problem, it's simple as it is, and you can just add that line debug.all. That's it. So we have the event bus, that's the IOC container. We have the toolbar where we type the search, and view is separated, event map is separated, remote object separated, model is separated, and from model it's binded with the view. Through injection, not directly binded. You can see the encapsulation happening over here. It's fully encapsulated. You can reuse the things as easily. We have taken advantage of binding in IOC container. So you can inject. See, injecting is very easy here. Like we have to inject the contact list. That's the view, and the property to be injected is contacts. Using the contacts manager, property is contacts. Of the contacts managers dot contacts should be injected inside the contact list dot contacts. It's just like we used to do binding by MXML. Same way we can inject the things inside the code. So you don't use any inject or any metadata to, and you need not to be bothered about what to do, whether we injected it or not.